At Untouched World, career opportunities are truly endless.
When recruiting, we consider what skill set that person brings to the table, but our number one priority will be personality to see if they fit within our current team. Whether it's retail, cafe, maintenance, manufacturing, marketing, so there's great opportunities here for everyone. Untouched World embodies sustainability and community.
All of our materials that we use at Untouched World undergo so much thorough research. The values that I have learnt here at Untouched World I use within my own personal life. People and planet, that's a given. I have learnt so many skills here at Untouched World. I've started in the makeup room where, as a sewing machinist, you're not just limited to this one machine. You're always encouraged to learn lots of different roles within the factory. I've grown in Untouched World from a sewing machinist through to the head designer. With this came trips to Japan to learn how to program whole garment machines and to get that skilled training and knowledge. Working for Untouched World makes me feel at home. You know, it's something that I love, it's something that I'm passionate about.